Hey, watch where you're going there, bud. I'm trying to get the sheep here, bud.
Well, at least it ain't your job.
Shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
You're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yeah, well, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, eh?
Grow up.
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You
So why are you
threatened
asking, buddy?
by me.
Threatened by you.
No.
And my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall.
No.
Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John, on the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am, and it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses, love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Gentlemen,
Let's get it on.
let's go earn some money.
That ain't how I parked it. What the hell?
Mr. Marston, Mr. Smith, Mr. McGuire. Ha! Get over there. When she slows, order.
And you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Let's do or die with you. I like it.
Get moving.
Should I put my thing on? Yeah.
What's going on here? What's going on? Nothing good.
I'm going aboard. Make that quick and join us on there.
Go on! Get on there! Hey! Bastard! All yours, Captain. We'll go on ahead.
Everybody stay calm and don't you get shot. Go. Everything you got. Money, valuable. There you go. Let's make this quick, people. Come on. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
No! Why do this? I ain't got nothing.
Wanna have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
I'm not a bad man.
What's the problem here?
Please.
Money. Hey,
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay. Come on. Okay. In the bag, everything you got. Keep it coming. Don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Don't do this.
I'm gonna count to 3. God damn it. Sick is better than dead, lady. Thank you, my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Expect this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Right, Jack?
Tough guy, huh? You sure about that? You sure this son of a bitch we ain't playing around here?
Don't help me!
Everything you got. Money, valuables. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
What in there? Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy. Everything you got. Let's go. This is unnecessary, please. I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Very funny. None of you.
What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taken a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Get up, you little Irish shit. Get up. This time I'll look and you provide the cover.
Try my best, brother, but we're seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Okay. A little bit of goodies, a little bit of goodies.
Rich, all right.
Gonna have a right out lump on me head.
At least you ain't got a hole in it.
Are those tennis rackets in there? Posh bastards.
Just keep your eyes peeled.
I'm doing me best, all right.
I know.
Ooh, money clip.
It's worrying. We'll take that.
Yes, we will.
Come on, we should get out of here.
Some decent stuff.
All right, we should probably be going now.
Gold pocket watch. I can't carry another gold
Looking
pocket
good
watch.
here.
Alright, we gotta go sell some stuff. I can't take that, sadly. Good. Can't take that. What else was in here? Can't take that. Alright, we are good to go.
We've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
Men, come out the train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
Eh? There's a few more of them turning up.
Damn my big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Shit, we got more on the left. More coming through the trees, you see them?
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses!
Let's go.
Hold on, man. Let me eat something. I'm hungry. Jesus. Alright, where we going?
Keep moving!
Which way? This way? That might have been. I might have told him where we were. I thought if I shot the thing though, it'd go kablammy. It did not. Run for your lives! Nope. Is everybody coming? I think that makes sense.
Whoa! That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Hey, what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
Yeah.
We still need a real big tank, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so. I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
Sir, yes, sir.
So, feeling better? How's the scar?
I heal pretty fast.
Lucky you.
Yeah, coat's gotta go.
You
It's
just
too
lay
green.
flat
Fuck.
and You got any leads?
I got something. You see them?
Sure. Well, you see yourself as a shepherd now?
Maybe. Come on.
Well, where exactly are we going?
Collect something. Help us get some sheep.
You know, that attempt to seem all enigmatic and interesting, that might work for Dutch, but for you, it just makes you look stupid.
Come along. You'll see. That train job was a start, but we need more money.
I need a lot more money now.
Blackwater and collect.
I'm here to tell you. We try to collect that money anytime soon, it'll come with a noose.
I was worried you'd say that. Dutch says that we...
Dutch says a lot. That's his gift. Saying things.
Oh, yeah? What do you mean by that?
I was the prize pony once. Now I'm the workhorse. Listen, Dutch is... But, well, you was at that thing in Blackwater. We already seen Pinkertons here. New century's coming. This life, this way, well, we're the last, I reckon. And we ain't long for it.
Then that's the way it goes, I guess.
For me, yes.
All right.
So where are we going?
Just need to pick up something. There's a hitching post over there. Tether the horse and I'll meet you across the street.
I already don't like how this is going.
I reckon they'll hightail it. They're only ranch hands. Just...
Looks like one of them don't scare too easy.
Put another shot in close. You get the message. Yep, that spooked them all right. All right, let's go round them up.
All right, boy.
Let's go get the strays.
You ever work on a ranch, Marston?
No? You?
Oh, day here or there, but not much.
Those cowboys I know were dumb as trees. How hard could it be?
I guess we'll soon find out. Let's get these things. Bring them back to the yards.
Alright.
They scattered. Let's get them all rounded up.
Yep.
Hey, watch where you're going there, bud. I'm trying to get the sheep here, bud.
All right, I think we got them all. Let's head to town.
You know what? Marston, why don't you leave the sheep to me? You ride Shank, keep watch for any trouble.
I brought you in on this.
It'll be quicker this way. Trust me. This ain't the right time for you to be learning how to herd.
All right, whatever you say. I'm done arguing. There you go.
Come on. Yeah. Ooh.
Quickest route back to Valentine is right around that mountain.
Okay. Like I said, I'll handle this. Keep moving.
Okay, I think we're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it.
Let's go. Yep.
Slow it down. Now you got it.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right.
Whoa.
Go, go.
John, watch where you're going, man.
Those are up, boys.
There you go.
Fine sheep.
They're okay.
Well, you seem better around here.
I've seen ones with less ambiguity about their provenance.
What you trying to say?
I'm trying to say, you give me 25% kickback, and I won't say nothing to nobody.
Everything all right here?
Excuse me?
Sure, I'll excuse you for 25%.
You want me to put another hole in your head?
Folks swing for rustling livestock. 25%.
15.
20.
18.
Done. Calm yourself, friend. Just think of it as I'm buying your sins.
You're buying. But we're paying.
Go on now.
How much we get?
Come back after the auction. You'll get your money.
All right.
Dutch is waiting for us at the saloon.
Yes?
Gentlemen,
Dutch, maybe Poe.
Where have you been?
Working. Marston's thing.
Good. And?
We're just waiting to get some pay on a few sheep.
Leopold, my good friend, as long as you're here, why don't you and John go make sure there ain't no funny business?
Of course.
Gentlemen, drink?
Sure.
Nothing like talking to old Strauss to make you want to blow your own brains out. I should have left him where I found him all those years ago. Bookish little Austrian, fresh off the boat, his eyes out on stalks.
Well, I guess the Dutch Vanderlyn Finishing School has some strange graduates.
That it does. To your good health.
Thank you.
Like, thank you very much.
Vanderland! Get out here! Get out
What
here
the
now!
hell?
Vanderland! You don't know me, but you keep robbing me! My name is Leviticus Cornwall. I am not a man to be messed with by the likes of you! Get out here before I have these men killed!
What do you think?
Get out here,
Well,
you depraved piece of trash!
You start spinning a yarn. When I think the moment's right, I'll make a
I
move.
got where I am by letting
Why
scum
not?
like you rob from me! Vanderlyn, you're done!
Alright, Arthur, let's get this shit.
Out here now! Deal with this nonsense.
Please, gentlemen, this is a terrible mistake. This is a case of mistaken identity. What is worse than admonishing a man for the sins of another who wants to be the Messiah? Not me. Nor do I want to be this Dutch Vanderlyn, whomever he may be.
Gabinga. Oh, I suck.
Arthur, cover us! Tom will push the wagon. Arthur, shoot someone! I'm trying. It's over. Get behind the wagon and we push, Arthur. You can use it as cover. What are you doing? Get down
Should have kept running.
It's just a scratch!
We all heard you whine about it out there. You shut up and kill these bastards!
You thought we wouldn't find you! Get away from here! This is madness!
You're on the front line now, Mr. Strauss. We are just gonna walk. Horses are over there. Grab Strauss and let's go.
We wanted dead or alive anyway. Alright. Sorry for the sniper barrels poking you in the pecker, but we gotta get out of here. Go, go, go.
Now's our chance. Come on.
Oh my gosh.
Strauss on the back of John's horse.
Not a
And
problem.
Let's get out of here.
There you go,
Make
John.
sure Nobody's following us. We'll get back to camp. We're gonna gather the troops and get them to start packing up. Ugh.
Sure. We can't stick around after this.
Let's go. Moving? Yeah. Micah told me of a place we can lie low. Look here.
What the hell?
Do Dewberry Creek, he said.
Okay.
Maybe you and Charles can go take a look, clear off anyone you find before the whole lot of us move in looking so conspicuous.
And how we gonna do that?
I don't know. Start dancing?
Looks like I turned into the goddamn errand boy.
You have turned into my son. You worry because I worry. We are just the same.
Hey, Charles.
It looks like he's been here for a while.
There's a camp just up ahead.
Sure. Let's get ready for business.
All right, Charles, let's go take a look. Look, here it is. A few tents, but the place looks empty.
Let's have a look around and make sure. Where's everybody?
Maybe they heard us coming.
Looks good to me.
I'm being careful. It's okay. It's okay. You can come out of there. You okay? You don't mean you no harm.
He said, are you okay?
Sprechen Sie Deutsch?
Oh, I guess.
German?
No. Now go on, get out of here. Go, we need the land, go. Get the hell out of
They
here.
took our father.
Who did?
Men, last night.
Where? Where did they take him?
Ain't no business of ours. I don't even speak their language.
You ain't as tough and dense as all that. Come on, Arthur. The girl was pointing this way. Let's see if we can pick up a trail.
Following you, Charles.
There.
Tracks. Come on.
I don't see nothing.
Hoof mark.
We need to get some golden guns. Oh my god, hold on.
Hey, cover!
Freak! Coming right at us! What the hell do you think you're doing?
What are we doing? This ain't even our goddamn fight. We got more right in there.
Oh!
Okay, getting you out of here.
Vielen Dank für Ihre Hilfe.
No idea, buddy.
Okay.
What?
Here, you wait there a second. Charles, go find Dutch. Get the caravan to divert here. This spot should work for us.
I agree.
Return him to his family. Alright.
Andreas, ich hab gedacht, du seist tot.
Beinahe wär's so gewesen.
Money?
Lieblinge.
Hello?
Meine Herz allerliebst. Oh, wie wunderbar. Oh,
Sie sind ein großer Mann.
ja.
Ein großer Mann.
Ja, wirklich.
Es ist ein Segen, dass wir Sie getroffen haben.
Money.
Come on, now get out of here. This place ain't safe. Get out of here!
Oh
Ja,
god.
alles klar.
Vamos!
Ich hab was für Sie.
Oh, yes,
Einen
yes,
Moment.
yes, yes, yes.
Dankeschön.
Ooh.
Thank you. Vielen Dank, herzlichen Dank.
Thank you, sir.
Guess it was a pleasure.
Ja.
That's a gold bar right there. I need to go sell all the necklaces and shit I have. Honestly, I don't know.
You were right.
Where you do that
this
at?
Place. Oh, it'll be perfect for us. Hello, Arthur.
Dutch?
Miss Grimshaw, Mr. Pearson, put everyone to work. Make this place a home. Well, I don't know where the hell we are.
but we are going to make the best of it.
Yes, sir.